going to say about number formatter in Flex. Number formatter. Number formatter is a class that formats a valid number by adjusting the decimal rounding and precision, the thousand separators and the negative sign. If error occurs, the empty string is returned and the string describing the error is saved to the error property. That is, the error is saved in the error property and shows as a error tooltip. Now we see the syntax for the number formatter. Here in number formatter we have to specify the decimal separator from decimal separator to it is the string when passing. It is used as a character which is stored in the input string. Decimal separator 2 is a, we can specify the dot which is specified in the output string. Precision we can give as -1 or we can 2 or anything. Rounding, we can rounding the value as nearest to integer or up towards upwards or downwards. Thousand separator from it is used as a character in the input string, and thousand separator 2 it is a character used in the output string. Use negative sign, we can give as true or false. Use thousand separators, that is true or false. If we give true, it splits the numbers into thousands increments by using the separate character. Now we see the example for this number separator. Here first we have to give the number formatter tag. We have to create a XML application in the Flex Builder and how to create give the number formatter tag. We have inside we have to specify the ID. Precision here we have 4. Use separate thousand separators is equal to true and use negative sign is equal to true, and we have to give the number validator. For validating the number, it checks whether it is an integer or the real. ID source is the input value in the source. Property is text. Allow negative value is true. Domain is equal to real or integer. Here we have created a panel. Inside the panel we created a form. Under the form we are given the many form items such as text input and text input string for the input string, the text input for the output string. Here we are also given the button for validating it. Here we use the click event for performing the actions. If you click here, the format function is called. It define the function format. Before defining, we have to import the events.validation results event. It is used for validation event is used. It represents the event object passed in the listener for the valid validator event or the invalid validator event. Here we store the result event in the vResult variable, and here we have to validate method in the giving the number value in the validate method is stored in the vResult. It checks whether the type is equal to valid or not. If it is valid, it stores in the formatted text. It is invalid, it clears the text and shows the error tooltip, the error property. Now we see the result of this program. Here we want to enter the number, and we have to click the button validate and format. It gives precision as we given here precision equal to 4, so the dot is in the before the 4 digits, and the comma separator is also given according to the thousands. Each and every thousands the comma separators are here. Now again we can edit it and we can string and click the validate and format. It clears the text, and if you press that, the the tooltip error message is input contains invalid characters. The error message is shown. Okay, now this is the result of this program. Thank you.